Welcome back to Hundreds of Tools. Each first aid kit in this video will offer a wide range of different options, so it comes down to the size you need and where you want it. For example, at work, in your car or at home, when travelling, or all of these to meet your first aid needs and or pocket best. Our specialist team analysed a wide range of first aid kits and made these recommendations based on different factors including product features, independent research and customer reviews. Check out the description below for links, info and the latest prices. Be sure to stay around and see who hits the #1 spot in our review and see 2 extras that we have for you today. Be sure to like the video and subscribe to stay up to date with the best tools, equipment and accessories out there. So let's get started. The first aid kit coming in at number 5 is the Surviveware Premium First Aid Kit. This comes in 2 sizes, 100 and this one with 200 pieces, being designed by experts and includes an advanced first aid handbook to keep you calm when faced with an emergency. It has all the emergency essentials for mind and wounds, cuts, scrapes and burns, and includes a 50-piece mini kit which is super light for when you are on the move. The Surviveware Premium First Aid Kit has labelled, organised inner compartments that mean things are easy to find in a hurry, contained in a robust, rip and water resistant 600D polyester bag. The D-rings mean it can be attached to cars, trucks or boats. Next on our list of the best 5 kits is the M2 Basics First Aid Kit. This kit has professional medical grade 300 pieces, so you are prepared for the most minor injuries and medical emergencies. Plus there are 4 survival items that include an emergency blanket, compass and whistle. Wherever you are, this very durable, compact and portable case with really useful clear organizer pockets means you are always prepared. The M2 Basics First Aid Kit allows you to provide someone with the necessary aid to calmly and efficiently even save a life at the workplace, at home or in your car when travelling or outdoors. The first aid kit coming up at number 3 is the Swiss Safe 2-in-1 First Aid Kit. This kit contains 120 items, providing supplies to tackle medical emergencies or survival situations, plus a useful 32-piece mini kit all in a water resistant bag. It has a compact and lightweight case, being only 9 inches wide and weighing 1.2 pounds, and there is a really useful 18-page medical guide for a wide range of situations. The Swiss Safe 2-in-1 First Aid Kit is fully stocked with essentials, high quality medical grade supplies for the most common emergencies at work, at home or when you are travelling. Moving on to the next, to number 2 in our list, is the Be Smart First Aid Kit. This comprehensive multi-purpose first aid kit has 100 pieces that include first aid treatment products for all kinds of accidents which can be quickly found and organised in the interior compartments. It has a lightweight, high density, impact resistant plastic carrying case that is 7.5 inches wide. It's compact and portable and easy to store when needed in an emergency. The Be Smart First Aid Kit being OSHA and ANSI compliant, so it meets US standards for medical devices and is a perfect fit for business, home, office or travelling in the car or truck. The first aid kit coming at number 1 in our top 5 is the First Aid Only Kit. This all-purpose kit has 298 pieces. It enables you to tackle and treat any emergency or minor injuries immediately, as it contains a wide range of products from bandages to ointments, wound closures and much more. The injuries you can treat with this kit include swelling, cuts, scrapes, burns and pain, so you will always be prepared either at work, home or on the go. The First Aid Only Kit is contained in a soft-sided zippered case that is portable and compact, measuring 9¼ inches by 2.8 by 7 inches, with really useful internal clear plastic compartments for storage and quick access. The first extra this week is the Thrive Mini First Aid Kit. This mini, lightweight, 4.8 ounce versatile and portable first aid kit has 66 pieces. It is compact, fitting into the palm of your hand, and includes first aid essentials, making it ideal for travelling, outdoor activities, camping and much more. Finally, the second extra this week is the LifeVac Choking Rescue Device Kit. This non-invasive, easy to use suction device enables you to deal with a choking emergency that could be a cause of death by safely and quickly removing whatever is blocking the airway, such as hard candy, gummy bears or other types of food. Thank you for watching. Please give us a like and drop any helpful first aid tips in the comment section below. For more info or to buy the best one for you, check out the links in the description. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to keep in touch and updated with hundreds of tools.